Hi, this is Ans. You watching Mr. Ans channel on YouTube. In this video, we are going to learning about Python. So, Python is a programming language. What is Python? Python is a popular programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. It is used for web development, server side, software development, mathematics, system scripting. What Python can do? Python can be used on a server to create web applications. Python can be used alongside software to create workflows. Python can connect to database system. It can also read and modify files. Python can be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics. Python can be used for rapid prototyping or for production ready software development. Why we use Python? Python works on different platforms: Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. Python has a simple syntax similar to English language. Python has syntax that allow developer to write program with fewer lines than some other programming languages. Python runs on an interpreter system, meaning that code can be executed as soon as it is written. This means that prototyping can be very quick. Python can be treated in a procedural way, an object-oriented way, or a function way. So this was about what is Python, why we use Python, and what Python can do. So gonna see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.